Hi guys, yan. Good morning from Antarctica. Naririnig nyo ba yon? Are you hearing that noise? It's the sound of Happy Pete. Yun. Yun siya oh. Dami. Colony nila. Welcome to Antarctica guys. Yan. And we are now in Half Moon Island. Yan. Kita nyo naman guys. Vast, massive. A lot of snow. Kasama ko si Ryan. Yan. Ay, madulas dito ah. Slippery. Hi Jenna! Ayan, expedition team namin. Ayan. Gawi tayo doon. Ano siya, nakasarado. Oh, doon tayo. Ayan, takake namin hanggang doon. Makita yung penguin colony. Ayan. Ayan. Last time we were here, grabe yung snow. Ayan, di ako nakalabas nun. But now, ito tayo. Mostly yung mga penguin nandun sa taas eh. Ayun. Hindi ako nagdala ng sunglass, yun lang. Yun. Alright.